In this video, I'll show you a simple but powerful way to stop anyone from calling you on Telegram on your PC. With the latest update, Telegram gives you more control over your privacy, so you can decide exactly who can reach you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to block unwanted calls and enjoy a distraction-free experience. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer and log into your account. Make sure you're on the main screen before continuing. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines. This will open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage all your account preferences. Now, click on Privacy and Security. This section allows you to control who can contact you and see your information. Inside this menu, look for the Calls option and click on it. This is where you can manage who's allowed to call you. To completely stop incoming calls, select Nobody. This ensures that no one, whether contacts or strangers, can call you on Telegram. After selecting it, make sure to save your changes so the new settings are applied properly. And that's it. You've successfully blocked all calls on Telegram. From now on, your account will stay free of unwanted interruptions, giving you full control over your privacy. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips and tutorials.